Who is Ninjaman? Ninjaman is fearless.
Let me tell you something, you know. Me not back from no boy, no girl, nobody, and me not apologize to no man. Nobody, and me not apologize to no man.
Ninjaman is confident.
How old are you?
Right now at me young age, Mr. Young, bold and beautiful, I'm 37 years of age, the 24th of this month.
Ninjaman is also a very funny guy.
Gulliver, let me tell you something. You see, through my richer than competition, I'm comfortable more than foolishness. That's why the only reason why you get to chat up your beak like when Fowler pick up corn and get away without pick up two in your head.
Tell us something about you that you shock. Like they find out about it, they say, really?
My teeth foul.
Oh, you what's it now for? So you did the fall out of fall club?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you see that country?
I'm telling you what to do.
No, I don't think no. Don't get into it. We really don't.
Ninjaman is one of the greatest lyricists in dancehall.
DJs, put your hands together and welcome for his good ways, Desmond Valentine Ninjaman.
Hold on. You call me name, spell it now.
Spell it like I see it in the cleaner. Okay, I think the last time I saw it was Ballentine. Is that fine?
You're done. Come on, boy. Yeah, hear me? Say me no know. Where back I get the medication, I me no know. Oh, they very like the dan gang, and I me no know. How them get the medication, I me no know. Oh, they very like the dan gang, and ask back I go spell me name, you know man. Spell Valentine and you spell that wrong. You say Ballentine. Put that together, you get Valentine. Yes, back around your mad friend of mine. Yeah, me spell this, you one and it can't rewind. Valentine, pine, chicken line, pine.
Me a lock sing, and me young enough. To me whole man then things say me done enough. To me get Adams, one of me gun enough. They never know me have a lot more a coming on. Tell me Saleng say fi me money coming on. If him not bring him man a straight run down enough. No make sense, there is nowhere for turning on. All the mouse a go get bun down enough. Not here family just because they young enough. Send Bunty Beanie well love running on. Love out his tabby get a neck running on. Whoop in the country better he got turning on. Send some press money ninja turn it down enough. But me say sting money it have to running on. Not to me show me Saleng to me gunning on. And when me show him all boy play domino. Show me not
Ninjaman is also one artist you would not like to be in an argument with.
I'm here. Me know you. Who is you where come and talk? Listen me. You know, say your color ungrateful. And if your color that you know. The way you fast now people business should have better off in life, but our people business you sit down yourself like a fucking crow. But I tell you something, see. That money they want to give me in here, so that must make me work thing. Because you have a little careless woman where you have out there, so you see, Leng. When me tell you something, look a red copper color sitting out, so we are talking about ungrateful. Tell her, say, the younger one can't grateful, I must be people who promote things. Because the work when me do this thing, nobody can pay me boy your feet, here. So that little red ant scoopy or something out there, so. Little loquacious characters and men, they kind of like a nincompoop where you have out there, so. We address ourselves. We don't know how to make our decency counter our piggish mentality. They are don't perplex my tranquility. Because she's nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. Yeah, let me get to sting now, one not chat about. That me a you out there, so you know where 69 mean away from numbers because you can't have your turn upside down like bombers. You look a dirty one shot, suck and pit out ranking things until you can shake yourself pussy to a batty boy. You can't say bad man turn around with it. Push up your face, make a kick in a pussy. How we are around with push him out, brown. How you feel like? You feel like we're going rusty? Just this never go to your ears, your size, your mouth, your blood clot, data bird. Pussy!
But what many people don't know is that Ninjaman is also a very good actor.
So what you want?
You see, I'm here to see Caesar, is what I'm saying. I'm from England. I've done some business with him in England, and I'm here to finish up with him now, is what I'm saying.
Him not there right now.
Well, he said I could wait inside until he's back because he'll be back later on.
All right.
Thank Thanks a lot. Yo. We change my blood clot mind. Sit down. Sit down.
No, I'm not fit say regarding this man and this woman joining together in holy matrimony as a bad man past our afternoon. No.
Right.
Yes, you know, it's still a fishing.
Yeah, Chavo, I'm going to go early tomorrow morning, you know.
Same place. Run my batty boy.
Hey, yo, watch your mouth, man. That's my brethren.
So, Imawa, police.
Yo, my one a wheeze in. Don't test.